All right, so a little late to the market. I want to see what price did around levels that I was interested in first, and then go from there. Um, Market hopefully should be settling down. We have two different numbers here. Let's look at this because I was looking for a long down at the bottom down here yesterday. Looked like we had it overnight. Fucking bitch. All right, this is where I was looking for that long at down around here. Looked like we kind of got it. All right, price came down, boom, and went all right. So we're still in that range. We can get rid of these here. So long move up, just exploded up. Gonna take that. We're gonna move it up here, and I might just be really all that we really do. Still looking for nice retest down here. I'm still game for potential entry down here at the bottom. See that we started trying to go short, didn't work out. Then we had the first short here. Probably would have entered there. Probably would have got stopped out. Price came back down again, and I wouldn't know how I felt about this, but that's the move that I wanted. And then kind of stopped at last week's high. All right. So let's mark yesterday's low. All right, that price is really moving up right now. All right, so I don't know. Maybe we got another ugly day or something. Yesterday we moved down right at the open, and then just did this shit. And then price moved up around like 11:30, came back down around noon, and then moved up. So maybe there was something right here that worked well. You can look at this as we're still setting up. I think that's it. I'm not gonna really do much. I doubt there's anything for me to really look at on any of the time frames. All right. Long body, bounce off, long body. I keep an eye on this 4 hour level right here. See if there's anything in here. Right, because I know that in here we had something for price to bounce off of. All right, came down to the bottom part. All right, long wicks. 1 hour. 30. 15. I just feel like a lot of noise. 5. All right, so we're not gonna even focus on any of that. Let's go to tick chart. 75. All right, nothing there. Strong buying, so kind of like where we came down to. 50. All right, we're gonna keep an eye on this block right here for potential short. All right. Potential short area, 25. So a little steeper up here. Even though the consolidation zone is here, keep an eye on this here. All right. 20. Oh yeah, definitely gonna look at this area right here where all the volume came in and push price out. All right. I want to look at it from the line chart. ID open, a lot of volume is coming in. Let's look at it from the line chart. You can see that this is a power market down there. Keep an eye on this area here for that reversal. So we got that top, top consolidation. sell off, sell the fuck off, sell off, move, right? This is like a very clean one. All right, we'll keep an eye on that potential happening again. 25. All right, I like that. 20. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna look at it from that angle, from where the selling starts right about here to here, and drag that out. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Yeah. Okay. And then we're gonna mark this here. I'm gonna leave that there because yeah, I'll leave that there. Get rid of that. And we're done with that. Let's go to NQ real quickly. Gotta do settlement price, so I gotta remember to do that. With NQ, we got this up here. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's go to the candlesticks. Let's turn this around so we can actually see a little better. Okay, let's go to the candlestick chart. That I said get rid of that. I didn't say duplicate it. Let's add the high and low. Right there. All right, pretty much set with that. Let's go ahead and add on settlement price, right? What is this? Whatever that is. Low. Okay. Okay. And then we got news. Don't know what the fuck this is. Okay. News coming out at 10 a.m. Let's mark that. Yesterday, the news that we had was anticlimactic. So maybe something better today. All right. Let's go to VIX real quickly, and then we're gonna be doing our charts. 30-minute time frame. Yesterday's high and low. Pretty much it. Okay, I'm just gonna stay how it is. All right, we're done. So let's see what we're working with. Like price is kind of settling down now. All right, kind of very stretched out. I want to see price come up to here for the sell, down here for the buy. These here, I don't know how I feel about it. I just don't like the fact that they're just straight lines. I like this consolidation drop versus straight lines. All right, so I'm gonna log into my Top Step account, and then we just wait.